Dear friends, first I will tell you a short story. You should pay your full attention to the entire story. At the end of the story, a few questions will be asked for your better comprehension. Cain and Abel. Allah the true Lord had created the earth and the heavens before sending Hazrat Adam and Bibi Hawa to the earth, who had many children. Cain and Abel were two of their sons. Cain was a farmer. He grew vegetables and grains, while Abel was a shepherd, a keeper of goats and sheep. Abel and Cain both loved the same girl and wanted to marry her. This created rivalry between them. Their father, Hazrat Adam, told them to make offerings to Allah. The one whose offering would be accepted by Allah the Almighty would receive a reward, and he would be allowed to marry the girl he loved. Abel chose the best goat from his cattle, and Cain brought a bundle of grain stalks from the field as an offering to Allah the Almighty. Both waited to see whose offering would be accepted. Suddenly a fire came down from heaven and burnt up the goat completely. Nothing happened to Cain's grain stalks. Allah accepted Abel's offering and rejected Cain's. The rejection of Cain's offering made him jealous. One day he asked Abel to go for a walk. While walking, Cain asked Abel, "Why was your offering accepted while mine was rejected?" Abel replied, "Allah accepts the offering of the righteous." This made Cain very angry. He attacked Abel and killed him. But then Cain did not know what to do with the dead body of his brother. He looked around in confusion. He saw a crow nearby burying another crow. Cain followed the crow's action and buried Abel in the same way. But Allah punished Cain for his evil deed, and for the rest of his life, his foot remained stuck to his thigh and his face always faced the sun. Now it's your turn to think and answer the questions below. Question number 1. What was the profession of Cain and Abel? Question number 2. What was the reason to kill Abel? Question number 3. Who gave the idea to bury his brother after his death? Question number 4. What was the fight about? Question number 5. What solution did Adam give to end the conflict? If you like our video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.